Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and my name is Tony. And in this video we're going to show you how to put a PVC fitting onto a PVC pipe. Now, I know this might be kind of easy for some of you, but for some people they haven't done this, so I'll show you how to do it. It's not rocket science, it's pretty easy, but if you never did it before, I'll show you how easy it is to do it and what you need to do. Now we're doing this bathroom project of mine, so we're ripping apart this bathroom that I have. And we've been installing a bunch of stuff. Well, we will be installing a bunch of stuff. But as we go throughout the bathroom, I'll show you how to do some things that we're tackling in here. So you may have seen Rob the plumber in some of my videos. Rob and I went to high school together. We've been friends forever. But he's not in this video, but he'll be in some of the future videos as well. So before I get started, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That way you'll get all the latest and greatest videos to the channel every week, and you won't be left out. So with that said, let's get rolling and I'll show you how to do this. Okay, so what you're going to need is some PVC primer and some glue. So this is what the primer looks like. They have, to my knowledge, like a purple one that'll show a color when you put the primer on. And they also have a clear one that doesn't show. This stuff can make kind of a mess. We've used it in a couple of plumbing videos. Some states, I think that they require it, so if you have to have something inspected, they can see that primer was actually used because it makes a mess. I happen to have this kicking around, so I'm going to use this, but there is a clear one. And what this does is it cleans the pipe, and it takes off like some of the impurities, and it'll get it ready to put the glue on. So once the primer is on, this is the cement that you're going to use to glue the pipe together. And once you have this on, you put the fittings together and it'll create like a bond inside the fittings, and it's pretty much impossible to take them apart unless you heat them up. Alright, so I'm going to use the primer first, and I'll try not to make too much of a mess. We're demoing this bathroom, so I really don't care how much of a mess I make. So what you're going to need to do, really, make sure this is in front of the camera. You're going to take the primer and you're going to clean like the whole, like outside your pipe right here, and just make sure you clean off enough so you know where the fitting's going. So you just want to make sure you get enough on. You don't have to go overboard, and do that and let it dry off for a second. So while you're waiting for the pipe to dry off, it only takes a minute, you don't have to wait long. Take the primer and clean off the inside of the fitting as well. So let's go around it real quick, clean that up, and get it ready to put some glue on it. So the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take this PVC glue and put some on the end of the pipe and a little bit into the fitting that you're putting on. So just hold the pipe like that, and then just make sure you go around it, get enough glue not to go crazy on the outside of it. And then take your fitting, just put a little bit on the inside of the fitting. Then just press them together, and it's easy as that. Just gonna make a little twist, hold it together for a second. Now they're together. So that's basically all you need to do. It's as easy as that. It doesn't take much to put this together, and you can just keep going along. If you have more fittings to put on, you can this is how you glue them together, and they'll set up in a couple of minutes and you won't be able to budge them. So I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment and we'll get back to you. Take it easy.